Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M2 Pro. Now you can see this is 13-inch M2 2022. The RAM is 8 gigabyte and display is 13-inch and storage is 256 gigabyte. And you can see the battery capacity is 86% and cycle count 107. You can see this is silver color. Oh, not this is space gray color, not silver. And okay, you can see the touch bar, the function no problem. You can see the touch bar, the screen no broken. Okay, and the speaker grills no scratches here. Okay, let me show you the logo surface. Okay, the logo you can see no scratches here. Okay, the 2022 M2 and here is a little scratch here. This side, this area. Oh, here is a little dent you can see. Okay, here. Okay, let me show you the charging port. Okay, a little bit of traces of views, and you can see this edge. No problem, this edge. And let me show you the headphone jack. Okay, some scratches here. This corner. Okay, some scratches, and this edge. Okay, some scratches. Okay, this edge, no problem. And you can see the back. The back, some scratch here, also some scratch. And okay, let me show you the 13-inch display. The touch bar. Okay, I changed the wallpaper. The gray color. Okay, you can see. No problem. No problem with the display. And I change another color. Change this color. Okay, no problem. No sparks. No bright sparks. No dark sparks. Okay, no problem. The price is about 3,800. 3,800. And I show you another color. You can see. You can see. Also, no problem. No problem. 3,800 CNY. Okay. Okay. Only here you can see a little dent. Okay. I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. If you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information. Okay. See you in the next video.